Hi, welcome to a no frills review of the Victorinox Tinker knife. The Tinker knife is very similar to a lot of other knives, specifically the Spartan model. The only difference is the Phillips screwdriver here. The Phillips screwdriver comes there instead of the corkscrew, and this gives the Tinker knife actually more gripability. It has the standard tools. I'm sorry about that. This has the standard tools of a large knife, which is a Victorinox stamped knife, a small knife blade. The way I use them is I use the large blade for most of my purposes, and the small one is kept sharp just in case for emergencies and you need a razor sharp blade. Then you have the bottle opener or the cap lifter on this side with the flathead screwdriver and a wire stripper. The scale tools are the tweezer and the toothpicks are available. You can pull them out of the scale, as is the keyring. Then you have on this side the can opener with a small screwdriver that works on Phillips screws as well. On the rear you have the awl, good for making holes in belts, and the Phillips screwdriver. The awl has a sewing eye as well. The knife weighs just over 60 grams, is 91 millimeters long and about 1.5 centimeters thick. Thank you.